How to track visitor analytics on your Wix website. So Wix has a great tool for how you can track analytics. Right here, I'm on the main page of Wix. I've hopped onto my website, and if we scroll down, you will be able to see this analytics and reports. So the very first option right here, if we click on traffic overview, it will actually show us all of the traffic that our website has received. Now my website is not live, that's why I don't have anything here. But also another thing you can do is you can track real-time visitors. So it will give you a very detailed list of all of your real-time visitors and where they're from. Here you can see the world map, as well as how many page views you've received, the traffic sources and devices. There are also some tools that actually show you which buttons they're clicking on your website. So analytics and reports, here if we go to the third option, the sales overview, then you can track all of your sales that you have on your website. So for the marketing overview here, once we click on it, just give it some time to load up. So it can show us or make us be able to track all of our marketing activities. So here, organic research, so SEO, how many times your website has appeared in SEO or in search engines. Social posts, email marketing, how many people have entered through email marketing, paid social and paid search. Behavior overview, so right here you can see which buttons they are clicking. If you click on this view report, and here for the reports themselves, sales over time, you can see how much traffic over time you've received. So basically this is gathered in one place, and inside right here you can see the insights for your website. So hope this helps, hope this overview was useful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.